Hi everyone! Today, I tested every single dynamic background from the Turn Off the Lights browser extension, and some of them are wild. From peaceful rain to exploding fireworks, I saw it all, and I'm about to show you the craziest ones. Okay, if you don't know what Turn Off the Lights is, it's this browser extension that turns your whole screen dark while watching videos, making it feel like you're in a movie theater. Super chill. But what most people don't know is, it comes with a ton of dynamic background effects that take things to the next level. So I turned them all on one by one and rated each one based on how cool, immersive, and ridiculous it looked. And trust me, some of them, wow. First things first, if you don't have the Turn Off the Lights extension installed, what are you doing? Go to the Chrome Web Store, search Turn Off the Lights, and hit that Add to Chrome button. Seriously, go grab it. Installation done? Great! Click right on the gray lamp icon in your browser toolbar, then click on Options. That's your command center right there. Below the preview panel, click on the fourth tab. That's the dynamic background option. Now, click the checkbox to enable this feature. Next, click Show More to see all the dynamic background options. First up, Fish Tank. When this dynamic background is enabled, you'll see small air bubbles gently rising from the bottom of your screen to the top, creating a soft, soothing effect that brings an underwater atmosphere to your browsing experience. It's subtle enough not to distract you, yet adds a relaxing visual touch that makes your screen feel more alive. Blocks. This dynamic background displays pulsing blocks across your screen, creating a rhythmic and futuristic effect. The blocks subtly shift and glow in a pattern that adds energy and movement to your browsing experience, perfect for those who enjoy a modern, tech-inspired look. Raindrops. This effect shows water droplets gently falling down your screen, just like you're sitting by a window right after the rain has stopped. The slow, natural motion of the drops creates a calming and immersive experience. It's perfect for winding down while browsing or watching videos. Paired with a soft background color, it can make your screen feel like a peaceful, rainy day indoors. Animated clouds. These are the clouds you see in the sky, but each time you dim the web page, a different random cloud appears, moving in its own direction and at its own speed across your screen. The effect adds a soft, drifting motion that feels calm and natural. It's like having a sky that changes subtly every time you enter dark mode. Ideal for creating a light, airy mood without distracting from what you're doing. Space. If you want to feel like you're in a spaceship cruising through the galaxy, this one's for you. You'll be flying past planets and stars, creating a stunning and immersive deep space experience. Prefer a still view? Just uncheck the moving stars option, and you'll enjoy a tranquil, static sky with serene, twinkling stars. This gives you the flexibility to adjust the effect to match your mood or preference. Smoke. If you want a smoky or misty atmosphere, this effect fills your entire screen with a thick, drifting smog. It creates a mysterious, almost cinematic vibe that can make your browsing feel like a scene from a noir film. The shifting smoke adds an element of intrigue and ambience, making it perfect for immersive, late-night sessions. Color dots. This effect adds animated dots that bounce around your screen, changing colors as they move over the web page. The playful motion and shifting hues add a fun, energetic vibe to your browsing experience. Storm, and I'm not talking about a drizzle. It's a full-on animated rainstorm behind your video, complete with dramatic flashing thunderstorms. The lightning strikes add bursts of intensity, mimicking the look and feel of a real stormy night. It's perfect for creating a moody, cinematic atmosphere while watching dark thrillers or late-night videos. The soundless visuals make it immersive without being distracting, turning your screen into a window to wild weather. Triangulation. This effect features triangles gently bouncing and shifting around the screen, creating a dynamic geometric pattern. The movement is smooth and rhythmic, adding an energetic, modern feel to your browsing experience. As the triangles change position, they create a visually captivating scene that can complement a variety of content, from creative projects to casual browsing. Stars. This effect shows stars rising from the bottom of your screen to the top, creating a calm and dreamy atmosphere. The gentle movement of the stars adds a serene and peaceful vibe, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Whether you're watching videos or just browsing, it's a great way to add a touch of magic and tranquility to your screen. Aquarium with fish. Transform your screen into a serene underwater world. This dynamic background features colorful fish gracefully swimming across your screen, creating a calm and peaceful vibe while you browse or watch videos. The gentle movement of the fish adds a soothing ambience, making it feel like you're truly submerged in a tranquil ocean environment. Then, fireworks. Literal explosions of color while you're watching your favorite YouTuber. It's dramatic, it's festive, and honestly, kinda distracting. But in a good way. After testing every single one, my personal favorite? Space. It's just mesmerizing. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and let me know in the comments which one you'd use while binge watching YouTube at 2 a.m. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.